my case 430. Still been running really good. And with a little help from my friends, I got some more stuff fixed on it. My friend Handy gave me a new battery. Not new, but new to me. Down in there. And he and my friend David helped me out with the wiring, and we got the lights working again. I'll go ahead and give it a start. This will be a cold start. I'm pretty sure it'll fire. Okay, choke it. Try it again. It'd probably help if I turn the gas on. It'll go now. Got it all warmed up now. Got a nice comfy seat put on. Tow bar, in case you got to be towed. Take it out for another little test run. I'm hoping to use this tractor yet this year for a hay ride. So that's why we concentrated so much on getting the lights working. This is a triple range. Used to say so on the side of the hood. You can't see it anymore. Maybe you can see down here. High, direct, and low. Those are the ranges of the rear end. Those are secondary tranny. And then you've got a regular 4-speed there. Still has the old start position, which has been eliminated. Check it out. See, there's what's left of my garden. Strong power steering. You heard a little grunt there, that's fine. Rusty, come on. Let's go. We're going to keep it off-road. show you what it looks like out here this time of year. Second week of October. Corn hasn't come off yet, but it's turned, it's ready to go. We'll take a little trip down the field drive. That's used to ride my bike up and down this when I was a kid like crazy. Rush, are you coming? Okay, we're going to try fourth gear in the low range. Top gear. No trouble with that. Think that's fast enough for a hay wagon? This is the end of my property. Where the beans end and the corn begins. Growing up, I used to play in that row of trees out there. Not the same kind of fun that city kids have, but it was fun to us. That's what we knew. Let's try correct range now. Fourth gear again. I have to idle it up to this. We possibly have a water hazard up ahead. Oh yeah. That'd be a great place to get stuck, huh? We're going to try a different gear range for this. A lot deeper than what I thought. What a mess. Good thing I called the dog to come along. Just gave him a bath.